Nessa gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, what's good? Hit that subscribe button and be a part of Nessa gang, because Nessa gang is the littlest gang of all gangs. But anyways, if you're interested in my lashes, the links will be in the description. But right now I am going to be reviewing this hair that was sent to me by Virgo Hair Company. They had sent me 4 bundles of 26 inches and a frontal of 20 inches, which I am so excited and over. What? That's slow moto. But anyways, right now I'm just showing you guys that the lace was my color, so I did not have to bleach it. But most frontals and closures come in a darker brown, so you might have to bleach it depending on your skin color. So what I'm gonna do
Tell them hi. Tell them hi. Tell Nessa gang hi.
Oh.
Tell them hi.
What the hell are you? Oh.
Okay, you're gonna tell them hi now.
No.
You rude.
What I'm gonna do is use this bleach. You can use any bleach of your choice, and 30 or 40 developer, and make sure it's thick. Just apply it on the lace. Mine was actually a little bit too watery, so just make sure it's a little bit thicker than this, and then you should be a-okay. As soon as I do that, I fold it up and put it on some tin foil, but I didn't have any at the time, so I just pushed it to the side, and it worked really fast. After about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how fast it lifts, just rinse it out with water and put some shampoo on it. Purple shampoo is better because if you don't use purple shampoo, 9 times out of 10 it's going to have this orangey look. So to eliminate that, you have to use purple shampoo. Most of the time, hair companies do not have pre-plucked frontals, so you definitely want to make sure you go over their hairline and pluck those. Just make sure that you don't have any holes in them, and once you're done with that, which I could have definitely plucked more, but it takes a while if you do it the right way. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. This is all the hair that came out from plucking, but I'm going to cut off all of the lace as close as I can to the hairline. Try not to cut in a perfect circle. Try to make it jagged, because if you do that, it's going to look way more natural. And then to secure the wig in place, I'm going to use Got To Be Glued. I do not try to use too much, because when I do, I notice that my hairline got really thin, so I'm actually trying to recover from that. But after you blow dry your hair for about 30 minutes, you can stick it on. I did not, because it was 2 o'clock in the morning, so I just waited about 10 minutes and then tried to apply it. Start from the front and then work on the sides. And then once it's secure, you're going to have to add baby hair. Baby hair just makes it a lot better to make it look natural, because the baby hair is going to actually hide the lace. My baby hair looks kind of crazy because it's way harder to do it on camera versus just in the mirror, but yeah, you get the concept. After you're done, you're going to want to use a satin scarf just to hold the baby hairs in place and make sure it dries without lifting. And that should only take about 10 minutes.
My bitch too foreign in the visa. I don't need her. Pull a truck top with an eater. 2-seater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer.
I don't know what that was, but anyways, when you're done, just take it off and voila, it's done. Your fleet, you're done. You can throw it in a circle. Like, girl, look at those inches. Look at those inches. Literally, all I did was put the wig on my hair and rake it out with my fingers, and that's how big and beautiful and luscious it was. Oh, God. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like it. Love you, Nessa gang.